Zachary C Ashby at Pacific Northwest Family Law. I wanted to give a quick tip for everyone going through divorce, especially those, in particular those who have kids. We just did a CLE with judges, and one of the big takeaways and one of the things all the judges and commissioners, and these are judges and commissioners from 3 or 4 of the local counties: Benton, Franklin, Walla Walla, Yakima. They all had the same advice to give, and that was quit making the motions and other information about yourself. What they see is that both attorneys, even people who are represented by attorneys, come in, pound the table, and say, "I have a right to my kids. This is my right," and me, and all they talk about is themselves and how their proposals and what they want will benefit them. But the judges said that what they really want is to hear what will benefit the kids and why, and also what has been going on in the lives of the parents since separation, between the time they separated and the time they got into court. And so both of those are really important things for parents to explain to the court. For example, instead of saying, "Oh, it's my right to have," a big one that so-called men's rights attorneys will say is, "Oh, it's my client's right to have equal time with the kids. Just because he's a dad doesn't mean he shouldn't have time." And while that might be true, it's also not very productive and might make you feel good and might make you think the attorney's doing a good job. But if your attorney goes into court and argues that they're not doing a good job for you, what you need to go into court and do is say something like, "My client, even though he's a dad, but he takes his free time and he spends it with the kids. He coaches their soccer team. He takes them to the park. He builds models with them." I mean, whatever it is you do, you got to explain to the court how it is that you spending more time with the kids is going to benefit the kids. The reason that moms right now, the only reason that moms should get more time is if the dads are too busy, they don't spend time with the kids, and or the time that they would spend with the kids just isn't beneficial. Wouldn't add anything more to the kid's life than spending every other weekend with dads. And so those are the things you need to explain, and how not just by virtue of being a parent, but by virtue of how involved you are in your child's life. And we found that our clients have a lot of success because that's the approach we take when we help them prepare for hearings, and when we help them craft their declarations and present evidence to the court. And when we go and argue, we find that we have a great deal of success because we're able to explain exactly what it is, or how more time or equal or even more time with the kids will benefit them compared with the other proposals. Beyond whatever rights you have as a parent, it's really focusing on the kids that's going to benefit you. So hope that helps anyone going through the tough times that are for all parents going through the court. Know it's kind of scary. We know that you have a lot at stake. Give us a call, and we'll try and answer any questions you have. Of course, we'd like to help you out in any way we can. Thanks.